Hi everyone. Here are this week's special guest stars. Can you see the blanket moving in the back there a little bit? Now they're going to be still. Oh, there they go. There they go. All right. I'm going to open this up and show you who they are. These are our latest fosters. And they got themselves all nuzzled in here. Let's see, there they are. These are our latest fosters. They're all sleeping on top of one another right now, just like they would be doing with their mama. They are baby kittens. They are only about 3 days old right now, and we've had them now for a couple days. So we got them when they were just a day old. So they're going to be waking up to eat pretty soon. So I'll show you that too, but I figured I'd show you while they were resting comfortably. And you can see their little foot wiggling. They're probably dreaming about something. Maybe their breakfast coming up. All right, I'll show you some more in just a minute. You're going. Cute boy. Cute boy. So these are the kittens. We've had them for almost a week and a half now. And you saw them in an earlier movie when we had just gotten them. So they're still teeny tiny. That's a little dog toy that we have tucked in with them. A little cow of Sydney's. And they're all cuddled up into it like it's their mama. They just ate, so their tummies are nice and full, but they have a lot more fur. Let me get in here. On their like little feet and stuff than they did before. So just so you can compare how much they've grown since I showed you the other little movie. So sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.